So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher beep 3 times with no error code. Quick checks. Fix 1 is perform a hard reset. Turn off the circuit breaker for the dishwasher or unplug it from the wall. Wait for full 5 minutes to allow all residual power to drain from the board. Restore power to the dishwasher. Turn cycle check functionality. Second fix is check the door latch assembly. Open the firmly close the dishwasher door until a distinct click is heard. Inspect latch hook and strike plate for food debris and plastic wrapping. Clean the latch area roughly with a damp cloth to ensure proper micro switch function. Fix third is inspect the water supply. Locate the water supply valve usually found under the kitchen sink. Ensure the valve is fully turned to the open position. Check the water supply line fixed feeding the dishwasher for any pinches or kink behind the unit. Fourth fix is clean the drain filter and spray arm. Pull out the bottom rack of the dishwasher. Remove the cylindrical filter from the bottom of the tub. Wash the filter in the sink to eliminate grease and food particle. Check the lower spray arm of any blockage for food or pot handle. Inspect the upper spray arm to ensure it can rotate freely without obstruction. Thanks for watching.